So hi, my name is Ashley and I'm here to give you a quick walkthrough of the customer portal. Welcome and thank you for choosing Smartfreight. First, I'm going to enter my email and password. Your login information will be provided by myself or your sales rep. So once all your information is entered, click sign in. So once logged in, we'll be at the main dashboard here. There is a little bit of a tutorial that you can use as a walkthrough, but I'm going to turn that off while I go through this with you. So this is the main page of the customer portal. On the left you have book, quote, and track. Below is your credit status, and then labels that are available for you to use, and account services to the right. Under these sections you have pending pickups, which will list any shipments that have not been picked up, and just below the pending pickups you have visual maps of your shipment history. Keep in mind that the platform is American made and will only register US origins or destinations, so your Canadian shipments will not show up on the map. So let's start by checking out the book feature. This section gives you the ability to request a shipment. This section communicates your order to our operations team so they can start finding you the best rate based on your needs. This is where you will enter the pickup date, estimated delivery date, shipper information, consignee information, dimensions, and any other information that will be needed to get the shipment moving. I'd also like to mention that explicit confirmation will be needed before anything is set in motion and can be communicated to your sales rep directly or our operations team. So let's just do a quick example. We'll use the information that's already in here. If you have contact information, you can add it in. We'll just add in Mike for our example and a telephone number. And over here we have the consignee information. We'll just use the example that's been put in, and you can put another contact. If you have any shipper reference numbers or PO reference numbers, they can be put in here. This can also be edited at any time. So if you aren't sure what the information is yet, you can put TBA for to be announced. You want to scroll down to the commodity information. So for our example, we'll do 1 truckload, we'll do machine parts. If you're doing a truckload, I wouldn't worry too much about the dimensions, but the weight is very important. So we'll put this in at 42,000 pounds. Continue scrolling down. If you have additional information that's relevant for the shipment, you can add that into the BOL instructions. Pickup numbers required. And then continue scrolling down. And we're going to click on Save and View Shipment. Once all the information is entered, make sure you go over it. At this point, it is still considered a quote. So as you scroll down, you'll be able to see all the information that we entered. And if you need any of this to be modified, you can edit with Edit Shipment. Okay. So if we go back to the home screen, and we click on the quote function, you can see this is a condensed version of the book screen, which will be used for quick quotes only, and it is only the minimal information. So here we don't have the full shipper address or the consignee address, we just go with postal codes or zip codes. You can enter the commodity information, equipment, and then the same process, scroll down to the bottom, and for this one you'll hit Get Quote. So the track feature gives you the ability to search for your shipment based on pickup dates or delivery date. From this screen, you'll be able to see the status for all your shipments, including quotes, booked, and dispatched. So you're going to want to use the drop downs to make sure you include everything you need. So I'm just going to back this out to 2018 so we can see all of our shipments so far. You can also use this screen to look at specific loads. For example, if we click load 18372, it will direct us to the shipment profile that holds all the information related to this load. This will show the shipments in detail, such as the shipper information, consignee information, as well as your cost. You'll be able to access any of the documents you may need regarding the shipment if your sales rep, the operations team, or yourself have uploaded them. This includes the BOL, the quote, and even the invoice once it's created. So let's check out the invoice. So this would be the same as the original document that you would have received, and you can refer to this at any time. So I hope this video helped you understand the basics of Smartfreight and the customer portal. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact myself or your sales rep for assistance. Thanks for watching.